Hello, I'm Mary Shelton. I'm the librarian at the University of Cape Town Health Sciences Library. I'm going to take you through a PubMed search and show you how to find a paper on a particular topic or question. Before we start, I'd just like to say a little bit about random searching of the internet compared to searching an academic database. Internet searches tend to display sites in the order of those most frequently visited. By using an academic database like PubMed, you are able to filter to a particular publication type, age, or gender, and you have access to a controlled vocabulary, for example, MESH or the medical subject headings in PubMed, and this can help improve the relevance of your results. Databases usually deal only with published material and are transparent in their coverage of journals indexed. Medline is the database of the United States National Library of Medicine, containing millions of references to biomedical and life sciences journal articles. I'm going to use PubMed, a free platform which gives access to all Medline records, but also includes records that are in process and not yet indexed for Medline, as well as articles from PubMed Central, the free archive of the National Library of Medicine, that are not included in Medline. You can link to PubMed from the internet, or if you belong to an academic institution, follow their link, as you will improve your chances of linking to the journals to which that institution subscribes. Start with a focused, well-defined question or topic, and your aim should be to locate publications designed to answer a particular type of question. I will be searching for articles on aspirin and the prevention of heart attack, and will conduct two searches: a basic search in PubMed, and then a search using the clinical queries option in PubMed. The basic search in PubMed allows one to use free language, and I will search for the terms aspirin, heart attack, prevention. An extensive search is done which essentially searches all fields for the terms entered. Then I will use the filters to narrow the search, first by date, to the last 5 years, and then, if not part of an educational institution, you can filter to free full text. Remember to clear your filters when doing a new search. We can open up an article, and you will notice that immediately you have the abstract there, which you can read, the authors, the title, and other publication information. The links to full text appear on the right-hand side, and if you follow either one of these platforms, you should be able to load the full text. Now I'm going to show you the clinical queries option, which is another way of searching PubMed, and the link you will find on PubMed's home page, and it allows you to search and immediately hone in on clinical studies, systematic reviews, and papers on medical genetics. I will again search for aspirin heart attack prevention. The search query for clinical studies has built-in filters that link to 5 clinical study categories: therapy, the default option, etiology, diagnosis, prognosis, and clinical prediction guides. A narrow search will give a more relevant, precise list of results. I have repeated my original search and chosen therapy and made it a narrow search. By clicking on See All, we will return to a results page that can be narrowed down further by date and free full text. A great feature for a quick evidence-based search. Mention should be made about open source repositories such as National Library of Medicine's PubMed Central and the open source publisher Biomed Central. Articles from both repositories that fit the category profile of PubMed are indexed by PubMed. Silo, Scientific Library Online, is a repository of open source journals from Latin America, Spain, Portugal, and South Africa. And for African health information, there is also the African Index Medicus, which includes links to a number of open source journals.